Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and revolutionary cars Ferrari has ever built, the Ferrari Purosangue. This is Ferrari's first ever four-door, four-seater SUV, but don't let that fool you. It still delivers the raw power, elegance, and performance that define the Ferrari legacy. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Purosangue a game-changer. Starting with the exterior, the Purosangue has a striking and aggressive design that instantly commands attention. Unlike traditional SUVs, Ferrari has sculpted this model with a sleek, aerodynamic shape that enhances both performance and aesthetics. The long hood, bold front grille, and sharp LED headlights create a fierce presence on the road. Its muscular wheel arches and sculpted side panels reflect Ferrari's racing DNA, while the coupe-like sloping roofline gives it a sporty and dynamic look. The rear features a quad exhaust setup and a rear diffuser that not only add to the aggressive styling but also improve aerodynamics. Moving inside, the interior of the Purosangue is pure luxury combined with cutting-edge technology. Ferrari has designed a driver-focused cockpit with a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster and a separate touchscreen for the front passenger, allowing them to control various functions. The seats are wrapped in premium leather with Alcantara accents, providing a blend of sportiness and comfort. Unlike many SUVs, the Purosangue features a four-seat layout with individual bucket seats in the back, ensuring that all passengers experience the same level of luxury and comfort. The cabin is filled with high-quality materials, including carbon fiber and aluminum, giving it a sophisticated yet sporty feel. Now, let's talk performance, the heart of any Ferrari. The Purosangue is powered by a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, producing an astonishing 715 horsepower and 716 Nm of torque. This beast can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.3 seconds and has a top speed of 310 km/h. Despite being an SUV, it handles like a true Ferrari, thanks to an advanced all-wheel drive system, four-wheel steering, and an active suspension setup that ensures sharp cornering and stability at high speeds. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The Ferrari Purosangue comes with a starting price of around $400,000, but with customization options, the cost can go much higher. It's an exclusive model, limited in production, making it a dream car for collectors and enthusiasts. That's a wrap for today's review. Let me know your thoughts on the Ferrari Purosangue in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next video.